Space is a vast playground of celestial objects. But have you ever wondered about the differences between asteroids, comets, and meteors? Let's dive into the fascinating world of these cosmic wanderers and uncover their unique characteristics. Asteroids are the rocky remnants of our solar system's early days, silently orbiting the sun in their cosmic dance. Most of these space rocks can be found in the asteroid belt, a region between Mars and Jupiter. But don't let the word belt fool you. It's not a neat line of rocks, but rather a scattered collection of millions of objects. Asteroids come in all shapes and sizes, from tiny pebbles you could hold in your hand to massive chunks of rock as big as mountains. Some of the largest asteroids, like Ceres, are so big they're classified as dwarf planets. These rocky bodies are like time capsules, preserving information about the conditions in the early solar system. Scientists study asteroids to learn about the formation of planets and the origins of life on Earth. While most asteroids mind their own business in the asteroid belt, some venture closer to Earth, becoming what we call near-Earth asteroids. These are the ones that keep astronomers on their toes, as they could potentially pose a threat to our planet, if they were to collide with us. Now, let's turn our attention to comets, the cosmic snowballs of the solar system. Unlike their rocky asteroid cousins, comets are made up of a mix of ice, dust, and rock. They spend most of their time in the frigid outer reaches of the solar system, but occasionally their orbits bring them closer to the sun, and that's when the magic happens. As a comet approaches the sun, the heat causes its icy surface to vaporize, creating a glowing halo called a coma, and often producing those spectacular tails we see streaking across the night sky. These tails can stretch for millions of kilometers, making comets some of the most visually stunning objects in our solar system. Comets like Halley's Comet, which visits the inner solar system every 75-76 years, have captivated humans for centuries with their ethereal beauty. But comets aren't just pretty space snowballs. They're also important to scientists. Like asteroids, comets contain primordial material from the early solar system. Some researchers even think that comets might have delivered water and organic compounds to Earth billions of years ago, potentially playing a role in the origin of life on our planet. Now let's zoom in on meteors, the shooting stars that light up our night sky. Unlike asteroids and comets, which are objects in space, meteors are actually events that happen in Earth's atmosphere. When a small piece of space rock or dust, often no bigger than a grain of sand, enters our atmosphere at high speed, it burns up due to friction with the air. This creates a bright streak of light that we call a meteor, or more poetically, a shooting star. Meteors are incredibly common. On any given night, you might see several if you're patient and in a dark location. Sometimes we even get meteor showers, where dozens or even hundreds of meteors can be seen in a single hour. These showers occur when Earth passes through the debris trail left behind by a comet, treating us to a celestial light show. Most meteors are harmless, burning up completely before they reach the ground. But occasionally, a larger piece of space rock survives its fiery journey through the atmosphere and lands on Earth. When this happens, we call the object a meteorite. Meteorites are incredibly valuable to scientists, as they provide us with actual samples of material from space that we can study in detail. So which of these cosmic objects should we be worried about? Let's break it down. Meteors, despite their dramatic appearance, are generally harmless. They're so small that they pose no threat to us on the ground. In fact, they're a source of beauty and wonder, inspiring countless wishes made upon falling stars. Asteroids, on the other hand, are the main concern when it comes to potential impacts on Earth. While most asteroids stay in their orbits and never come close to us, there's always the possibility of a large asteroid on a collision course with our planet. The most famous example of this is the asteroid that struck Earth about 66 million years ago, causing the extinction of the dinosaurs. This space rock was estimated to be about 10 kilometers wide, large enough to cause global devastation. Today, NASA and other space agencies around the world track thousands of near-Earth asteroids, keeping a watchful eye on any that might pose a threat. The good news is that we're getting better at detecting these objects and developing technologies that could potentially deflect an asteroid. If we found one on a collision course with Earth, comets, while less common visitors to the inner solar system, could also be dangerous, if one were to collide with Earth. Their enormous size and incredibly high speeds mean that a comet impact would be catastrophic. Fortunately, such an event is extremely rare. Still, astronomers keep a close eye on comets as well, tracking their orbits and studying their composition. In the grand cosmic scheme, meteors give us nightly displays of celestial fireworks, asteroids, keep us vigilant and push us to develop new technologies, and comets inspire us with their otherworldly beauty, while reminding us of the vast, unexplored reaches of our solar system. As we gaze up at the night sky, marveling at a shooting star or the tail of a distant comet, it's worth remembering that what we're seeing isn't magic. It's physics in action. The same fundamental laws that govern our everyday lives here on Earth also control the emotions and behaviors of these cosmic wanderers. From the gravitational dance of asteroids around the sun to the complex interactions between a comet's icy surface and solar radiation, it's all a testament to the elegant simplicity of the universe's underlying rules. So the next time you spot a meteor streaking across the sky, or hear news of a newly discovered asteroid or comet, take a moment to appreciate the cosmic drama unfolding above us. These celestial objects, each with their unique characteristics and potential impacts on our world, remind us of our place in the vast, ever-changing tapestry of the universe. They challenge us to look beyond our planet, to explore, to learn, and to wonder at the incredible diversity of our cosmic neighborhood.
Stay curious.